Have you recently changed your job and are wondering how to transfer your old PF account to your new one? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to apply for a PF transfer online through the EPFO portal, quickly, easily, and without any hassle. Step 1. Open your browser and visit EPFO Member portal. I have shared the link in the description box. This is the official EPFO Member login page. Step 2. Enter your UAN, Universal Account Number, password, and then click Sign In. You'll receive the OTP on registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on Submit. Step 3. After logging in, go to View Service History. Check if your previous and current employers are listed correctly. Kindly ensure that your date of exit for the previous employer has been updated. Also, make sure your Aadhaar, PAN, and bank details are verified and approved under KYC. Without verified KYC, your transfer request won't go through. Step 4. Now, click on Online Services, One Member, One EPF Account, Transfer Request. Step 5. You'll see your personal information and details of present PF accounts on the screen. You need to verify your details. Step 6. Enter your previous PF account number or UAN and click Get Details. Verify the details shown on the screen carefully. You can select and click on the previous employer details which you want to transfer to the current employer. Step 7. Choose employer for attestation. You can choose either your previous employer or present employer for attestation and approval. Most people choose their present employer as it's convenient. Step 8. Tick the declaration box, click Get OTP and enter the OTP sent to your Aadhaar linked mobile number. Finally, click Submit. Step 9. You can check your transfer status anytime by going to Online Services, Track Claim Status. Step 10. Once your employer approves your request, EPFO will process it, usually within 15 to 30 days. You'll receive an SMS confirmation once it's done. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to transfer your PF online using the EPFO portal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.